Hey guys, today we're going to change front shocks on a C230. If you do this, I don't know if you guys can hear that, the shocks are finished, so it's time for replacement. So the way you do check if it is just pushing it down and see if it bounces around. And if it does and makes a noise, it's time to replace. Even if you're driving and you go over speed bumps or any bumps in the road and your car starts doing this, you know it's time to change shocks. Okay guys, so watch along and maybe you guys will learn something from this. Okay guys? Okay guys, these front shocks are quite easy to take off because it's just the shock itself. As you guys can see, there's a shock. You can see it's been leaking. That's another sign of telling if the shock is ready to be replaced. Okay, if it's leaking like that. But yeah, all you need to do here is take off that one there, that bolt there, as you guys can see, bolt and nut. Okay, and then on top you take this one off and the shock should come out, guys. So yeah, I think this one is quite easy to take off. Normally you get the spring on the shock itself where you're going to compress the spring to get the shock out and put the new shock in. But yeah, this one is going to be quite simple to do, guys. Easy for you guys to do if you guys ever find one like this. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is first is we're going to take off this guy here, as you guys can see, that nut. We're going to take the nut off there, and then yeah, we can take the top one off, and then the shock is ready to come out. Okay guys, now you're going to come on top into the engine bay. You'll get these two nuts here. You just need to loosen them down and then the shock should come out. Hey guys, if you guys ever struggle to get the extension on, here's a trick I can show you guys. Spin it like that. Okay, sock it on there. And there we go. It's off, guys. Yes, and I forgot to tell you, you gotta loosen up the upper control arm, otherwise you're not gonna get the shock out. Okay guys, you can see the old one is out now. It's been leaking some oil, so this shock is buggered. Here's the new shock. So now we're gonna put this new one in, just like I showed you guys. You just need to put your bolt and nut through here and put your top nuts on here. Okay, like it's already got a new nut on it, so yeah, it's gonna make our life so much easier. So what I normally do is I put the shock in first in here. Okay, put the bolt in, tighten it down, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack it up with a bottle jack or something, line it up so that I can get that nut on. Okay guys, as you can see now, it's tightened down on top in the engine bay. Okay, and put this back on again, the lower control arm, and we tighten down the center bolt for the shock. Okay guys, so that's it, and then all that needs to be done is put your wheel on, and then yeah. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys don't mind, subscribe, like, share. It will help me out a lot on this channel. I'm really trying to grow here. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Bye.